From Wi-Fi settings, select your camera. You can find the camera name on your camera box or on the back side of your camera. Here we can see the camera doesn't have any password set, with the same security as none. To set password, we need to go to the camera app, select local login. Now press search for device. And press the play button. Now camera will display set password. Press set password. On the next screen, type any password of your choice with alphabets and numbers. Press confirm to save. Now your password is set. Now go to device configuration and then select network settings. Under network setting, it will show EP mode or hotspot mode. Select EP and hotspot mode. Enter the same password you entered in the first field. Press save to save the settings. After changing password, we will need to connect the camera again. Now when you select the camera, it will ask for password. Give the same password you created in the previous step. Now we can see the camera is connected with password and security changed to WPA2. After connecting with the camera, go to device or device configuration. Now select network settings. Under network settings, change the camera name to camera. Click save. Now press yes to connect the camera. Now Wi-Fi list will display camera as camera. Now enter your password again to connect with camera. Type cam1 in another name and press confirm.